this video, we will look at how to create a view and the different settings that you can choose from when creating one. First, you must be logged into Mahara. Before creating any views, we are going to visit our settings page and check that we have some things enabled. Click on Settings in the top right. Scroll down and make sure that Show Controls to add and remove columns when editing a view is set to On. Click Save. Now we are ready to start looking at views. Click on My Portfolio. You are automatically taken to the page that shows you your views. You will have two views already, Dashboard View and Profile View. Dashboard View is what you see when you first log into Mahara. We will go over how to edit this in another video. Profile View is your profile page. It is a view just like any other you will create and can be customized to look how you want it to. But we are creating a brand new view. Click Create View. You can add or remove columns. This is the setting we made sure was enabled. Use the buttons to add or remove columns where you want them. A 3-column view is default. You can change your view's column layout. If you have 2 columns, you will see these 3 options. If you have 3 columns, you will see these 3 options. If you have 4 columns, you will see these 2 options. I would advise not putting more than 4 columns in your view. In fact, having 2 or 3 columns is best for ease of reading and viewing. When you have chosen your column layout or you wish it to remain the same, click on Change My Views column layout. You can choose a theme for your view in this drop-down menu. You may have to wait while Mahara loads the chosen theme for you. At this point, you can also add blocks to your view, but we will cover that in another lesson. For now, I will simply add a couple of text boxes by dragging them into the preview pane. At the bottom of the page, you will see a Next button with a description of what the next step entails. This one says Edit Title and Description. Give your view a title. Give your view a description. This can also be edited later. Here you can add tags to your view. We will cover tags in greater detail in another lesson. These are keywords that help organize your views and make them easier to search for. If you put the word profile in this field, the view will be displayed in your sidebar. Choose how you would like your name to be displayed on this view. Next, we will edit the access to our view. Click the Next button. By default, only you can see your view. You can share your view with others by adding access rules on this page. You can allow comments on your view. This can be useful if you are wanting feedback from others. This checkbox allows you to moderate your comments. If this is selected, the comments will not show unless you approve them first. The final checkbox allows your view to be copied by those who have access to it. They would be able to make their own copy along with any files and folders it contains. To add access to others, simply click the Add button next to the appropriate option. Public access means that everyone, even those who aren't logged into Mahara, can see your view. Logged in users means that anyone with an account to the Mahara site can see it. Friends means that anyone you have added as a friend can see it. If you don't want everyone to be able to see your view, but you would like to show it to a few people who are not registered on the site, then you can make your view visible to the public through a special link, which is difficult to guess. You can let your friends know about your view by pasting the link into an email. Or you can choose a specific user and make your view accessible only to them by searching for them in the box. I have made my view available to Anna and the rest of my friends. I can choose whether it is available for only a set period of time. If I leave these fields blank, it is available for as long as they are my friends on the site. And it is available to Anna only from those times. If you want, you can set an overriding start and or stop date. Other people will not be able to see your view before the start date and after the end date, regardless of any other access you have granted. These fields can also be left blank. Finally, click Save. Your view has now been created and shows up in the My Views list. You can edit the title and description, content and layout, and access at any time by coming back to this page. In the next videos, we will be looking at the different blocks.